Hi, dear all. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you are all doing very well. Today, my iPhone 15 Pro Max has just arrived, and let's unbox it together. So I have an iPhone 13 and an iPhone 12 Pro Max as working cell phone. With time, I need a little bit more for my videos and photos, so I've decided to upgrade them. This time, I bought an iPhone 15 Pro Max because it has 6.7-inch display, which is very friendly to my eyes, and it starts already with 256 gigabyte. In the US, it costs $1,199, but in China, it's slightly more expensive. There are four colors for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. There's a white one, a black one, a blue one, and a natural titanium one. And I hesitated a while between the white one and the natural titanium one. And at the end, I decided for the white one. Compared to all the other iPhone series, iPhone 15 Pro Max has larger display. It has large zoom range up to 10 times. It has very good batteries, up to 29 hours video playback. And the Type-C supports also the USB 3 for up to 20 times faster transfers. In the box, you can also see that there is a USB-C charger cable. There's no power adapter. You can see I have also purchased the fourth screen protector already. I have bought 3 as a package, just in case that the first one would fail. It is a glass film with so-called flawless fit tree. So let's have a look how to put it on. So after you clean your screen, you can directly put it on. And since I have just opened this iPhone, I saved the first step of cleaning. Then you have to pull the dust removal film, and then basically you are done. It said, "Time to witness the miracle." There are apparently some bubbles here, and it is definitely not dust free. I'll try to squeeze the bubbles out. Obviously, it doesn't work well, so the first set failed. Okay, so let's reset it and try a second one. This time my husband also comes to support me mentally. He's observing, and so are the dogs there in the background. Oh no, still the same problems, the same bubbles. So for the second time, I'm trying to squeeze the bubbles out. Okay, so totally failed for the second one. Try the last one. And now we don't see any dusts. So it seems that either the screen protector has dust on it or the flawless fit tree has some. I don't understand it. But this time I will definitely clean the screen very carefully. So now you can see that I am very well trained. Haha, you can see a huge bubble. And now there are still 2 big bubbles. You can see there are dusts again. Okay, I've given up. I'll just leave it on it like this and try another one later. Let's set up this iPhone first. And at the same time, I have bought an iPhone 15 Pro Max clear case with MagSafe. This case is a 3-in-1 case. It not only protects the phone, but also the camera. And there is also a little tab protect thing for the Type-C port. I'll test it out if the photos qualities will be influenced. So now I'm synchronizing my phones. Okay, so that's it, guys. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. The iPhone 15 Pro Max itself is perfect, but this time I have the worst experience with the iPhone screen protectors. All the 3 protectors have some bubbles. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care, bye!